For you, the topic card is describe a change that can improve your local area. What it is present, how it can be done present, what happened, what problem it will solve present, and how you feel about it. Please, you can speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
There are a lot of changes that I want for my area, but the major one is the road that is a few steps away from my home. That it was built a long ago and it has a very heavy traffic on daily basis, so it is broken now. So the traffic congestion is a really big problem for us, and there is a school nearby that road, and the kids kids face a lot of problem while crossing the road at their when the school is off. So it also creates a lot of air pollution and noise pollution, and I want government to take initiative to rebuild the road again, and to rebuild the road, and they can make a bridge for the bikes as well. So, and the heavy traffic should not be allowed on the road until the night, and there must be a underpass for the heavy traffic, so the congestion could be reduced and the people can easily cross the road or go opposite side. So it will be due to when the this problem will be solved, the pollution will be reduced and the air, people will feel more safer while they were on the road.
Okay.
So I just prepared this.
That's all right. Don't worry. You spoke for 1 minute 32. It's not like halwa that you had to prepare at home and then bring it here. So don't worry. That's fine. Let's move on. Speaking part 3, and my first question is, why are people living in community friendly with others?
Well, people like to be friendly with others because they like to be recognized by the people who are living around them, and they like to spend time with other people to talk about their experiences and to learn something from the other people as well.
What are popular activities in your community?
People like to go to the park in the evening where they can have chance to meet other people and they can share their activities they have done all through the day.
Do people like living in community?
Yes, people like to live in the community because it's difficult to live all alone by themselves, and it's also good for them to learn different things with other people and share their experiences.
Okay, that's fine. Overall, it's good, but just try to focus the question and expand your answer. You can add some examples and all that. At present, I'll give you a bench score 6.5, but you can improve it further.